It's recording. Amazing, yeah? So, as you know, every Sunday, but I didn't do for the last 2 weeks because I was kind of busy. Wait, let me just put the light down here. So during the last 2 weeks, I've been way less active. I've been pushing way less. I've been more like trading, but I had like some personal stuff going on. So I wasn't active. Yeah, now it's better. Well, let me clean the camera also, maybe. Yeah, now way better. Amazing. So let's start and let's see how everything goes and if we're gonna make some money this week. So first thing first, as you know, guys, is you always look at the economic calendar. Okay. So if you don't have it, I will put it in the chat. Investing.com is the website I'm personally using. It's not a promo or whatever. I'm just telling you what I'm using to watch the news. Okay. So when you come, normally there is a bunch of news, yeah. But me, I always I go in here in filters, scroll down, take the 3-star, the most important one. And tomorrow we're gonna be the 22nd, and we have bank holidays, no news. Tuesday we're gonna have some news. Okay, so tomorrow from that, the markets are gonna be very, very, very quiet, very, very slow. To close this, yeah. So the market is gonna be extremely slow tomorrow. But during the rest of the week, there are kind of some news, not that much, but there is some news. So, okay, that's the first thing. So now let's go and let's look at the chart, my fellow fella, because this is probably the most important thing. NSDTHF, like, I don't know if you remember, but guys, I did a trade last week in the Telegram. I sent NSDTHF and yeah, kind of lost it. Like, it pushed and then it went all the way down. I don't know why. So that was like a losing trade, sadly. Let me just zoom on the weekly. You know what? Let me even erase everything so we have a better understanding. So we can have like a variation like this. I also had something like this that was for me, yeah. You see, that got broken, actually got broken even more. So it's not the best thing. That would be the best trend to have at the moment. Then you kind of had like a resistance around here. That's a major resistance. This is the major support. These are our key levels. Then we have like a balancing level around here that you can see properly got rejected. Makes sense. Now, obviously, you could do a translation and bringing back here, but this would be like the new kind of resistance. But it's not a real resistance because we just do the translation to the point where we are right now. But the main one was around here. And then because of the trend basically stopped the space. So there is nothing we can do till that place, yeah. So if we just do the translation, it's like this. But anyway, so at the moment, NSDTHF, oh my days, I'm not sharing my screen. Oh my days, sorry. Oh my days, sorry. I thought my screen was sharing. So NSDTHF, I was telling you, if we start fresh, NSDTHF, we had this very trend. We had the trade losing one because the trend was like wasn't that strong to what I draw. This is the main one on the weekly. Then major resistance, major support, the intra. So at the moment, nothing to do. Now let's go on Euro USD. Euro USD is kind of interesting. So if we go first on the weekly, we take that one level. Then we go on the daily. On daily, this is what we see at the moment. There is absolutely nothing to do. I mean, there is something to do. Let's be honest. I can even do the translation to that level for that one, but I don't like to have it. Yeah, better like this. Yeah, once it hit the trend, let me go in the 4-hour. Yeah, you see what it retrace. So what I hope, okay, so now this is hopes. Yeah, I hope that it's gonna push down to the trend. Once it's gonna hit the trend, then we're gonna position ourselves as a buy entry. That will be like legendary for Euro USD. So let me take a screenshot. I'm gonna be posting this in my Telegram after. And now let's go on USDTHF. USDTHF, same thing happened again because I was drawing like weak trends. Okay, that's why like they got broken every single time. Because if you realistically look at what's going on the market at the moment, it's not something like you can define, you know. So you would rather go directly on the daily and try to see, okay, what's going on. And USDT at the moment, nothing, you know, it was ranging between the support and got broken because look, it was ranging in that area. And now we have a new support here. We see ranging, then broke, retest, one support, retest. So USDT, I wouldn't do nothing at the moment. There is nothing to do. USD CAD, okay, there is a shitload of things I've been drawing, but let's go on the weekly as usual, you know. You know what I mean? Sorry guys, I have some using my board. So yeah. Yeah, perfect. USD CAD, that's on the weekly. We have a bullish trend, which is solid. Then we have the major resistance right here. And obviously we have a major support here, but the support has a translation all the way to here we are. Okay. That would be the support level. So now USD CAD, we're currently in the middle of the market. And as you know, guys, I always wait because we only trade near to resistance. This is our gray area, sorry, or close to the support to sell. Okay. Then the rest, we don't really care. Let's be honest. We don't really care. So now USD CAD, there is nothing to do. We just have to be patient. So as you can see, there is not that many things to trade, you know, sometimes. And SDTHF, same thing. Absolutely nothing to trade at the moment. USD CAD, same. GBP USD. GBP USD, once hit the trend, we're gonna get into a buy position. And USD, we did it. What can we do? Oh, USD JPY. Yeah, USD JPY rejected to the resistance, but I wouldn't trade at the moment. At the moment, there's not that much to trade. Let's be honest. USD, let me do this. Woo! It's pushing, yeah. Oh, you see, closing at the, oh my days. You see, market always close at so much sense. Close around here. Oh my days. You can see here how it rejected. Here, every time it was hitting the trend, going up. Obviously, taking a short position in the bullish trend is always more risky, yeah. Breakout of the previous resistance, which became a support, retest of the support, amazing. Then selling here, always selling into a bullish position is a bit more risky. But realistically talking, Euro AUD, once you hit the trend back like here, let me show you. Start pushing all the way here. Once they hit here, then it's gonna go all the way up, and then we're gonna get into a buy position. So at the moment, patience. Which pair can I go to? Oh, maybe. There are no trend. You can see it's ranging, no major movement, nothing to do. What do you want to do? There is nothing to do. You can even go on GB CAD. You see, this one has nothing to do. Yeah, I got broken. Nothing to do, guys. Let's be honest. Best play is gonna be Euro USD. We're gonna wait for that one and then get into a buy position. So guys, it was very quick. At the moment, as you can see on the chart, there is nothing to trade. Most people like to invent things. Oh, there's no, guys. At the moment, I don't see nothing to trade, so I'm not gonna force myself. So probably Monday, Tuesday is gonna be quiet, but then towards the end of the week is gonna be more active. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this really quick live session. You know, I just do that. I just do that for you. And yeah, so sorry. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post this on YouTube. So if you want to see it again, or if you have any question, message me on Instagram. Okay, peace, love.